a independent welder's golden rule. I was asked what my golden rule was. If I had a golden rule to stand on, being an independent welder doing business, there will be one thing that I don't do. One thing for sure that I would say, starting out, even once you get the ball rolling, it's one thing to check on your clients and make sure things are okay, like on an annually basis. You may send them an email or send them a postcard saying thank you for doing business with us. That's great. But one thing I don't do, this is my golden rule. If I did business with you, I don't call you back and say, hey, do you have anything else going on? I'm a little slow right now. I never do that, because to me, if you do that, then you're giving that other business the opportunity to take advantage of you, because sometimes they be like, well, I can get some cheaper prices out of him right now because he's low. Even though that your services are priced right, they'll try to take advantage of you or get over on you because they feel like, well, you need a bind right now. You need it, you broke. So that gives me the opportunity to always hustle, always knock on doors, keeping my ads out, keep business cards, flyers, keep promotion on your vehicles or whatever you got going. All of that is an asset because it keeps you from having to call back. Now, there's nothing wrong, like I say, with calling and saying, hey, once a year, once whatever, in your cycle, you say, hey, we just thank you, want to say thank you for doing business with us. We appreciate it. That's a great thing to do. Matter of fact, that's something that you should start doing, you know, yearly actually, or quarterly, or however you want to do it. But I think that's a good thing to do. But as far as like calling people back and saying, hey, I'm slow right now. You think you got something going on? I can come help you. Nah, stay hustling. I was always taught to never, um, never go back twice. And it's not as far as meaning like going back to go and help them again twice. Nah, but you don't, after you finish something, you don't call them because you want to keep hustling. You never want to get dependent, and actually being independent, you can't be dependent on nothing. That's why you don't have a job. Most people that has a regular 40 hours a week, they dependent on their job. If that job don't come through, they can't pay their mortgage, they can't pay their truck payment, car payments, lights, gas, rent, because that's the only income that they got. Us being independent, we done created a different source of income. So we have to be dependent on ourselves to get up, knock on doors, call people, network, put ourselves out there so that way we can stay busy or we can keep something going. But that is my golden rule. Don't call back. Hold on.